Hey there, welcome back to Math Jamboree. Today we are diving into the world of linear functions, a fundamental concept in digital SAT that you'll encounter in many areas of the mathematics modules, Module 1 or Module 2. And also you will run into these in real world applications. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to calculate linear functions. So let's get started. First things first, let's define what a linear function is. A linear function is a function that can be written in the form of f of x is equal to mx plus b, where m is the slope, this is our slope, and b is the y-intercept. X is the independent variable. So, in this specific question, let's read the question and solve it together. In the linear function of f, f1 is given as 7 and f4 is given as 16. And what is the equation that defines f? In the choice A, we have f of x is equals to 3x plus 6. In B, f of x is given as 3x minus 4. And C, we have f of x as equals negative 3x minus 4. And the choice D, we have f of x equals 3x plus 4. So, there are two different ways of solving this question. The first way is, you just can substitute these values in. So f1 means m times 1 plus b will be equal to 7. And the second one is f4 is m times 4 plus b is equal to 16. So both of these equations are equal, m plus b. And let me rewrite it this way. 4m plus b is equal to 16. The other one is m plus b is equal to 7. And if you will just take away both sides, b's will be gone. 4m minus m is 3m is equal to 16 minus 7 is 9. Therefore, m will be equal to 3. So the slope is 3. How can you find the value of b? By just substituting in there. So this m is 3 again. 7 is equal to 3 times 1 plus b. 7 is equal to 3 plus b technically. You will take away 3 from both sides. Then you will find b as 7 minus 3 is 4, positive 4. Therefore, our equation will be 3x plus 4. So you can go ahead and choose the choice B for the specific question. I would like to show you the shortcut, the second way. For the second way, you will just substitute the values in the choices. For instance, f1. So this means that for the wherever you see x in the equation, you will just put 1. f1, 3 times 1 plus 6, does it give you 7? This does not equal to 7 because it's equals to 9. So you can go ahead and eliminate the choice A. And let's check B. 3 times 1 minus 4, does it equal to 7? 3 minus 4 is not equal to 7, it's negative 1. So let's check the choice C. I just substitute 1 for x. Negative 3 times 1 is negative 3. Minus 4 is negative 7, not positive 7. Therefore, that is not the answer. But over here, if I will put 1 in here, 3 plus 1 is 3. Plus 4 is 7. So it works for it. You can also double check. There's no other choice to check. Actually, you can just pause and pick this choice. But I'd like to show you that this works for the 4 as well. Because when you put 4 in here, That is 3 times 4 plus 4. Does it equal to 16? 3 times 4 is 12 plus 4 is 16. 16 is equal to 16. Therefore, this works for this one as well. For the second way, technically, you just plug in the values in the equation and check for the answer. So this is how you solve these questions. So that's about it actually. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to give it us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more math videos from Math Jamboree. Do not forget to leave your questions or comments below. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Have a good one. Bye-bye.